anyhow, just for messes. Didn't get too warm in here, but hopefully we can make something happen. Let's kill the fire. I like that. Let's save all of that for later. We got to get a little breather cap for that thing, because that's not going to work out very well. If you're super lazy, these Harbor Freight disposable paint cups work really good. That's just lacquer thinner. Most professionals use it for cleaning paint guns or something. I reduce it with lacquer thinner to help it dry faster because it's a little cold in here. So, we're going to transform some of this. There. That ought to thicken it up a little. Still seems a little thick. Thin. We'll see what happens. We got all our paint mixed up. Let's give this a try. Here's our first coat of yellow. It's coming. Well, I gotta get my mask back on. It's kind of cloudy in here. There it is, yellow as far as the eye can see. Everything's got a light yellow dusting on it, but most of that will sweep up and blow off. These parts weren't too important. Now we got to get ready to do the outside, and that's where you got to take your time and do a good job, hopefully, the first time. Lots of yellow. Lots and lots of yellow. Paint fumes are a little rough, so we're going to get out of here for today. Tomorrow, we're going to mount that fuel line and wires back up in there. And then we're going to put the bed on, so we have room to walk around this thing.